AKINSOFT WOLVOX 8 Stock Group Definitions. By grouping your stocks, you may want to facilitate their management. WOLVOX 8 has a group structure consisting of 3 layers: group, middle group, and subgroup. To define stock groups, click the Stock Group Definitions button from the Definitions list in the Stock Management menu. On the page that opens, there are group name, comment, and sequence number fields. You can specify the name from the group name field. If you have any notes, your node of the group from the comment field, and the sequence number from the sequence number field if you want to give a number for sorting. After entering your groups, to add a middle group, select the main group you want to add a middle group to, and click the upper left button. After entering the middle group information, you can click the upper left button again to add a subgroup. You can select these groups you have created from the relevant fields in the stock card. You can also access group definitions from the button next to the group field in the stock card. With this structure you have created, you can get more specific reports by filtering each report you can get about the stock by groups.